Today we are going to learn that how we can draw samples without replacement. Okay, without replacement is a procedure in which sample is selected in the way that you select a unit, you observe it and throw it out of the population, and you don't return the unit to the population. In this case, there is no repetition of the unit. A unit can appear only once, and the unit is thrown out of the population, so the previous unit cannot be repeated with the next unit. यानी आपने जब विदाउट रिप्लेसमेंट सैम्पलिंग करनी है तो यूनिट्स को ना तो आपने रिपीट करना है और ना आपने बैकवर्ड्स सेलेक्ट करना है. लेट्स डिस्कस एन एग्जांपल. ड्रॉ ऑल पॉसिबल सैम्पल्स of size 2 without replacement from population 4, 5, 7, 8 and 10. Now, as I had mentioned in my previous videos, that three important points are there. What is the size of the sample, what is the procedure, without replacement is the procedure, and what is the population. Now you have population size, that is the number of units in the population, equal to 5. Sample size is mentioned in the question, that is equal to 2. Then procedure is without replacement. First of all, in this case you have to find total possible samples. The number of total possible samples can be found by the formula capital N C small n. This is combination rule, and in this formula you have to put the values of capital N and small n. C stands for combination. There is a detail about C, but we can find this function in our calculator, in our scientific calculator, very easily. What you have to do, just write capital N, then press C button on your scientific calculator and then press 2. C is the combination. I will provide you another lecture on this, on C, what is C, what does C stands for. But actually we are going to make combinations of the units, so we are using this formula. This formula is used only for without replacement case. This is not for with replacement case. In this case, just we have to put 5 C2. 5 is the population size and 2 is the sample size. What you have to do, just put these values in your calculator and you will get answer that is equal to 10. Now we have to make just 10 samples, so I am giving the serial number over here. Okay, now we are going to make samples. As in case of with replacement, we will select in the same way we will select the first unit. Now this is the case of without replacement. We cannot repeat 4 with itself. 4 can come with 5, it cannot come with itself again. 4 can come with 7, 4 can come with 8, and 4 with 10. Now 4 is discarded out of your population, it is thrown out. Now you have 5. 5 can come with 7, it cannot repeat, so it can come with only 7. Then 5 with 8 and 5 with 10. Now 5 is discarded out, it is thrown out of the population. Now you go to 7. 7 can come with 8 and 7 can come with 10. Now 7 is also discarded. Now the next turn is of 8. 8 can come with only 10. 8 is thrown out and then 10 is left alone. It cannot come with any other thing, so it is also discarded. You will have 10 samples without replacement in this case.